we are here feeding the giraffes. Those of you who want to visit the motherland, man, this is what we do. Africa is a very friendly place, man. Yeah, you interact with them live. So you are the one now doing it. Whatever you've been seeing people do, you are allowed to do. So I'm told that this giraffe, she is called Salma. Oh, this is the leg bone of the giraffe.
Yes, the femur is here.
So this one is the one that...
The femur.
Oh, this is the femur?
The tibia is here.
Oh, man.
So that's like the hip bone.
So this is the hip bone of a giraffe.
Yeah.
This is a baby giraffe.
Yeah.
Oh, you know if somebody hit you with this thing, this is a weapon.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are fine. Now, today I went to the animal orphanage to visit the, to see different types of animals. And the good thing, I've shown my people the lions, the giraffe. Now I'm heading to a place that is specifically for the giraffe. It's called the Giraffe Center, where only giraffes are put, And the good thing in that place is that you are able to see very many giraffes. So ladies and gentlemen, we are just heading to the Giraffe Center. We've got animal orphanage, okay? And we've got a place that is only for the giraffes. So I've taken another car and I'm on my way to the Giraffe Center. And so ladies and gentlemen, as I've always told you, our aim is to show you Africa. So this is another journey that I've taken, whereby I am taking you to where you are going to see the giraffes. And you can see how the road looks like, ladies and gentlemen. So we are heading to where we are going to see the giraffe. It's called the Giraffe Center. So at the moment I'm in an Uber or a taxi, so we are heading there. So me people, those who love Africa, Africa on a Walk is here, to show you different parts of Africa. As I've said, we are now going to witness the giraffe. And in Giraffe Center, the good thing is that you are given an opportunity to feed them. You're given a food, you're given food to feed the giraffe. So I am taking you there live from Africa so that you are also able to witness this from the comfort of your phone or the TV. And so when you visit Africa and you also feel like you want to be part of the people who want to feed the animals, you are allowed. So there is a mall here, right? Galleria? Yeah. Galleria Mall, right? Yeah, so that one is just a mall over there as we are heading to our place. So how far is the place? We are almost?
We are like 3 kilometers away from where we are heading.
Oh, like 3 kilometers away?
Yeah.
All right. So ladies and gentlemen, the good thing with Africa is also, the trips on the road, man. You just find different people, like you see those guys over there. Yeah, they're using a motorcycle, but there's a way it has been made. So me people, today is another wonderful day that we are going to witness the giraffes live. Feeding them, looking at how they're moving, a place only designated for the giraffes. It's called the Giraffe Center. And you can see the African roads. Like I've always told you, you are likely to see trees on both sides. And I just love it because it shows how, Africans, we've embraced, green. So those of us who love green environment and you love trees, so you drive, along as you see the trees, Africa is a place for you, Let me just show you how we are driving, This is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we are heading to the Giraffe Center. And we've just taken a taxi, which is taking us, you can see even some animals over there. The monkeys are on the other side of the road. So this is Africa, ladies and gentlemen. We are still driving, and hopefully within the next few minutes, we will be there to show you the Giraffe Center and to show you the giraffe. So a typical African road, it looks nice, man, because as you drive along, you can see trees around. Yeah, man. So we are taking another turn here, and we are heading straight to that particular place. So today, you're going to enjoy, man. You're going to see another part of Africa, the animals, because there are people that what brings them to Africa mainly is to see the animals at a closer range. And today, I've decided to, do you a favor, to take you to where you can feed the animals, you can touch them, and you can try to talk to them if you're gifted, in talking to animals. So we are headed to, again, I say, Giraffe Center. If you're a fan of giraffes and you visit Motherland, you can be taken to Giraffe Center. If you love to see all the animals at one place, you can be taken to the animal orphanage. If you like crocodiles, there's a place called Mamba Village. It's a place where we have got crocodiles. It's also a place that I'll be taking you. So Africa has got a lot to offer, depending on what you want to see, ladies and gentlemen. So like I've said, we are just still heading to, the Giraffe Center. Yeah, man. So within a few minutes, we will be in our destination, the Giraffe Center. So ladies and gentlemen, apart from coming to Africa and seeing animals, I've just told you can come and hire a car, and just take a drive. You're going to enjoy the roads, man. Yeah, you're going to enjoy the roads anytime you take a drive in Africa. Yeah, let me just show you. You'll always, enjoy the road as you drive, man, as you look at the vegetation and you look at how, the weather is, the place is, just hire your car. And the good thing, you can also be given a driver that will be taking you around. So within one day, you can be taken to the Giraffe Center, you can be taken to eat Jamaican food, you can be taken to the Mamba Village for crocodiles, you can be taken to the animal orphanage. So Kenya is beautiful, So just come, hire a car, a driver will be there, take you through the motherland. Because I feel that all the people I am talking to, these are people who want to visit the motherland, because many people have told me African walk, show us, the deep side of Kenya, and I'll also plan to take you to the countryside so that you can also see how people in the countryside live and how Africa really is. Because as we said, the Marcus Garvey's, dream is to see Africans within the continent and out of the continent come together. And how do we come together? Is me taking such kind of opportunities, to show you around so that my people will have a clear picture and a clear vision of Africa. So right now, me people, we're just driving through towards the Giraffe Center. So Africa is a beautiful place. What do you think, me people? So we still welcome you to the motherland. And one thing about Africans, they love our brothers and sisters out of Africa. Let no one lie to you, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm doing all this just to show you the motherland, so that when you come to the motherland, you're just in love with it, because at least African Walk showed you how the motherland looks like. So we are now heading to the Giraffe Center to watch the giraffes, nyam them food, and we see also the picnic of the giraffe, the family of the giraffe, and we call it a day. So within a few minutes, me people, we will arrive in our destination. So we've just arrived at our destination and we are almost, reaching the gate of the Giraffe Center. So as I've said, ladies and gentlemen, you love driving through the African roads as you watch, the animals and you watch the nature. This is it, me people. And so we are almost at the Giraffe Center. It's over here. Yeah, that's the Giraffe Center. So this is the parking bay, right? Yeah. So because I took a taxi, my driver will park. After payment, I'm gonna go inside. That's the Giraffe Center. We are going to witness the giraffes and try to feed them. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanna pay my taxi driver. Thereafter, I'm gonna go inside. So today, I am taking you live, direct within the Giraffe Center. Our aim is to see whether we are going to feed them, because people are allowed to feed them. Yeah, so I've just entered the Giraffe Center and this is the security checkpoint and I'm cleared, so I'm good to go. I've washed my hands over there. There's a place you wash your hands because, in feeding the animals, you've got to be clean because the animals have to be safe. So I'll just take you through and walk with me as I show you the Giraffe Center. So this is the place that we've come, and hopefully I'm gonna get, my time to feed the giraffes because that is the main aim. Habari yako? Neza video. Okay, sawa. So this is the place that the food, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the place I'm gonna take the food that I'm gonna feed the animals. So I'm going to be given some food that I'm gonna feed the animals. So what I asked is if it's okay for me to film. You know, sometimes it's good to be courteous. And the lady was very, good to me, and she told me that I can go ahead, but I'm just taking the food, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So what happens? So this is the food for the animal, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so how do I proceed from here?
So you go first and feed them.
I
Feed
go
them using a thumb and index finger.
A thumb and index finger?
Yes.
Yeah.
One at a time.
One at a time? Okay. If I don't use the thumb and index finger,
You feed them on an open palm, they will lick you.
oh, and if they lick me?
It's about hygiene.
Oh, about hygiene?
Yes.
Okay. So how do I proceed?
So proceed.
From here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. So I'm in the animal, not animal, but yeah, it's an animal, but it's called the Giraffe Center. I've been given some foods that I'm gonna feed the giraffe. So those of you who wanna come and, just be friendly with the animals, you're allowed to come to Kenya, and you're going to be given opportunities, to feed the animals. So like me, I've been given an opportunity to go and feed the animals. So here I am. The other time I was within the animal orphanage where we saw different types of animals, but this place specifically is for the giraffes. So here we just want to feed the giraffes. And I've been advised that when I'm feeding the giraffes, I should use my, the thumb and the index finger. I shouldn't use my palm because they can lick the palm. But I asked and I was told that is just for the hygiene. So we've just arrived, and this is the place that you can see the giraffes. And you can see people here trying to feed them. So it's a place that those who are trying to visit the motherland, man, you're welcome. If you want to interact, socialize, be friendly with the animals, you can get your time and feed them. So I also have some food that, I'm gonna try to feed them. But before I feed them, let me just take you around and show you, they're very tall. And we've got some of us who have just been seeing the giraffes on the television, on books. But if you visit the motherland, those who are planning to come, you're gonna watch them live, just next to you, Yeah, now you're gonna have your own Nat Geo, Yeah, man. So if I zoom, we've got some, let me just put my food over here. If I zoom, we've got some. Oh yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, if I zoom, you can also, yeah, there's one giraffe that is coming close to us. Maybe I'm gonna try, yeah, can I try to feed it?
Salma.
It's called Salma?
Yes.
Also, and she's pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh, right. So I've feed the giraffe again, I'm taking the food. This is Salma, and she's pregnant. So we have to ensure that she's well fed.
How long the tongue is?
Oh yeah, it has a long, oh man. It has a long tongue. Yeah, so I can feed them any of this. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, here we are feeding the giraffes, and they're very friendly. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, let me, just a minute. Yeah. So we are here feeding the giraffes. Those of you who want to visit the motherland, man, this is what we do. Africa is a very friendly place, man. Yeah, you interact with them live. So you are the one now doing it. Whatever you've been seeing people do, you are allowed to do. So I'm told that this giraffe, she is called Salma, a beautiful lady, very beautiful. And you can see she's pregnant. So that shows you how all the male here were fighting for Salma, And Salma is expectant we expect a bouncing baby girl or a baby boy. Yeah, man. So, me people, if you get time, you are allowed to feed them. And Salma really loves food, You need food for energy, and Salma knows that because she's pregnant, she needs to eat. Yeah.
So let's go to the
Yeah? Oh, I can also feed the other ones. All right. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So it's a good experience, man. You just come and feed them. And the giraffes are friendly. So it's a good experience. This is the motherland. So, Daisy?
also pregnant.
Also that's Salma and Daisy? Oh, so Daisy is also pregnant. Very beautiful young woman here, Daisy. And she's pregnant, expecting to give us a beautiful baby giraffe. Yeah, and she knows very well, for you to get energy, you have to eat. Daisy? Yeah. Oh. And one thing I've found is that feeding the giraffe is so interesting. It's one of the best feeling. Oh, we go to the other one? The name?
Kelly.
Oh, Kelly.
The oldest giraffe, she's 24.
Oh, 24.
And the lifespan goes up to 28.
Oh, 28. So giraffe goes below 30.
Yeah.
So 28, that's like the oldest.
Yes.
But this one is 24, the oldest here.
Yes.
Oh, this one Daisy?
Female.
A female? Kelly. Oh, nice name. But she's not pregnant. Is she also pregnant?
Yes, she is.
Oh, yeah. So guys, Kelly will have our last food. And that was it, man. Feeding them is one of the most interesting, event. And those of you who love the giraffes, and they're really tall, trust me, if you see them at a closer range, you're gonna love them. And feeding them is one of the best experience. When you feed them, they're very responding. And so they're also given a name. The last one is, that was Salma, Daisy, and Kelly. Yeah.
See the spots are dark.
Yeah. Oh, if the spots are dark.
To the female.
Oh, yeah.
You see how dark the spots are.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Is this a friendly for the kids?
Is it friendly for the kids?
Yes.
Oh, so I also told they're friendly for the kids. So if you have your kids, man, welcome to Giraffe Center. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's very courageous. Yeah. It's so, like I can see there's a kid feeding, so also kids are allowed, right? So it's a friendly place to come with your family.
With your family.
Oh, yeah. It's a good place, yeah. So this one is the oldest.
Yes, she's the oldest.
Oh, she's the oldest. 24 years?
24.
Ah, yeah. Oh, so that one is the...
11 months.
Oh, 11 months?
Yeah.
This giraffe is 11 months?
Yeah,
Not even 1 year?
not even one.
Oh, and it's already tall. Also, they grow up tall very quickly.
Yeah, they grow tall.
Oh, yeah.
They're born when they're 6 feet tall.
Oh, they're born when they're 6 feet tall. So how do they fit inside the womb? Or the womb is...
That's the power of the mom. They have one baby at a time.
Oh, one
So she
baby.
can be able to stabilize also the pregnancy.
Yeah. About
No,
6
they
feet.
can also prolong the pregnancy.
They can also, how long is the pregnancy?
It's 15 to 18 months.
Oh, 15 to 18 months.
Yes, so it's
Oh,
between
yeah.
15 to 18 months. So she'll choose when to give birth when she's feeling safe.
Oh, yeah. Also, they can also decide by themselves to prolong. Oh, yeah. I think that's a good idea. I didn't know that, man. So,
Let's say if there's drought, high
Yeah.
increase in hyenas and lions, she'll keep the baby in
yeah.
until she feels safe is when she'll give birth.
Oh, so it's just a natural instinct?
Yeah, natural.
Or they feel this is not the right time?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And they also live next to the warthog, because I can see there's a warthog here. It's called the
A male pumba, warthog,
male pumba.
kasongo. Yes. he's
Oh,
a male.
kasongo.
You know how the tusks look like?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a male pumba.
So why do you call it a pumba?
It's from The Lion King, the movie.
Oh, I get you,
The
yeah.
Lion King. So they're
Yeah.
called pumba.
Yeah.
Pumba in Swahili in full is pumbavu.
Oh, pumbavu, because
It means stupid.
stupid. Oh, they look stupid.
Yes, they have a tiny brain, they forget quickly.
Oh,
Every day is a new day to the pumba.
oh, yeah.
We
Nice.
also take them back to the wild, the babies.
Oh, so you take the babies back to
We
there
free them, yes.
so that they can go.
They go to the wild.
But I think it's risky.
Yes, it's a bit.
Oh, that's just nature.
But they're still wild animals. They need to be released back to the wild.
Oh, even giraffes are also wild animals. So
Yes.
the best habitat is them to live in the.
In the wild.
Oh, I
So
get you.
what we do is just increase the numbers, ensure the breeding process is ongoing,
Yeah.
so that we increase the numbers.
Oh,
Then we
yeah.
Release them back to the wild.
Oh, yeah. So she's telling me that the giraffes here, those the kids, they are released back
To the wild.
so that they
Like
can.
Jock
In
is
the,
1 year right now.
this one is 1 year.
Which is 3 years.
This one is 1 year.
Is released, yes.
Oh, so 3 years it is released.
Yeah.
But how is it going to survive? And it has been somehow tamed.
Actually, the babies can be able to adapt to a new environment.
Oh, yeah.
Adults
Yeah.
have stayed their whole life.
Here, yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you come to visit the giraffe, so there's also an information center. You're being told about the giraffes. So this is the good thing with Africa, man. Yeah, it's a good place that you are being shown around and given, like history. So this is the information center of the giraffes in Kenya. So, yeah. Could you please?
Have a seat.
Oh, I can have a seat here?
You can just sit there.
All right, yeah.
So the giraffes you are seeing outside, they are called the Rothschild giraffes.
Yeah,
So
Rothschild
these
giraffe.
ones are the endangered species we have in Kenya.
Yeah.
And this is a breeding center for them.
Yeah.
We protect them here, we breed them here, and then release them back to the wild.
Oh, so you protect them here,
Yeah.
then you release them back,
Back
to...
to the wild.
Oh, yeah. The bones of the giraffes? Yeah. All right.
Then this is called a femur.
Yeah. Can I take yours, hold it? Or,
Yeah, you can hold it.
like, can I take you explaining, or you still want to? It's okay, yeah. So maybe explain for us.
So this is a femur.
It's a femur.
This proves that one kick can kill a lion, and this is
Oh,
only for
yeah.
the
Can I
giraffe.
touch it?
You can hold it.
Oh, man. Yeah. So maybe, yeah. So this one is called a femur.
Yes.
So this one is like, it's heavy, man.
Yes.
You
Just
find it
for
in the...
baby giraffe.
This is a baby
The
giraffe.
bones to the giraffes don't have bone marrow. It's all solid.
Oh,
The
yeah.
leg bones. The leg bone. To
Oh,
the
this is the leg bone of the giraffe.
Yes. The femur is here.
So this one is the one that...
The femur.
Oh, this is the femur.
The tibia is here.
Oh, man.
So that's like the hip bone.
So this is the hip bone of a giraffe.
Yeah.
This is a baby giraffe. Oh. You know, if somebody hit you with this thing, this is a weapon.
Yeah.
That's why I'm told that a giraffe, when it kicks you, you can
You can die. Yes.
die.
Yes.
You know, I used
Breaks
to...
your bone.
Oh. This is from a giraffe.
Yes. It's a big one. And the leg bones to giraffes are all
Tough.
tough. Yeah.
So many people, we are just here at the Giraffe Center, and I've been brought to see the bones of a giraffe. So I'm told that when a giraffe kicks you, it has a dangerous kick. So don't ignore it and say, giraffe can't do me anything. This one I'm told is a baby giraffe, right? This is for a baby giraffe.
Yes. So imagine for an adult.
Oh, man.
Very heavy.
And I'm told they can kick from both sides.
They kick backwards.
Oh, mostly backward.
Yes.
So anytime you see a giraffe, be careful.
Yeah. Be careful. Yes.
So where should I take it back?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the bone of the giraffe. I mean the hip, from the hip bone.
Yeah.
And then this one is the
Lower jaw.
lower jaw of a giraffe.
For a giraffe, they have 32 teeth as human.
As human,
You can put your hand in the middle.
in the middle. Yeah?
Yes. The tongue is 45 centimeters long.
Oh, so,
Stretches up to 60 centimeters.
60 centimeters.
Yes.
Oh, man. So that tongue that we're seeing that was long, a lot of it is still inside.
It's still inside.
Oh, this is wonderful. And this is why people should visit Africa and, they see all these. And then we have this one.
This is a skull of a warthog, the Pumba.
Oh, sorry.
The warthogs now.
Oh, this is the skull of a warthog.
Yes.
Oh,
And I said they are considered stupid.
They're considered
That's because
stupid?
They have a tiny brain.
oh, where is the
The
brain?
brain is here. That is the brain of a warthog.
Oh, so here's only where the brain of a warthog is. So they've got like a very small brain. That's why there's a movie saw when a giraffe kicked a lion, man.
Yeah.
So, and you showing me the bone and trying to carry, I've realized how strong the giraffes are. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I got a wonderful, beautiful lady who works here at the Giraffe Center. This shows you how Kenya is friendly. She decided, man, to take me around, and she even held my camera. So if you visit Kenya, you're gonna find a lot of, places. And today we are in the Giraffe Center. I just went, fed them, and now I'm being showed different things about the giraffe. So my people, all of you want to visit the motherland. These are some of the things you are going to meet. For now, we say goodbye.